Intro/greeting. Good afternoon, how are you today? Always start with a polite greeting. Thank you for picking me up at the airport. Shows gratitude and friendliness. Confirming the ride. 3. Are we going to the Grand Hotel, correct? Confirm your destination clearly. How long will it take to get there? Useful to know the travel time. Asking about the city. 5. Is this your hometown? A friendly way to start small talk. What is the best thing to do in this city? Great phrase to learn about attractions. Which local food do you recommend I try? Shows interest in culture and food. Is the city safe for tourists at night? Important for safety awareness. Getting travel tips. 9. What places should I visit near my hotel? Practical to plan your trip. Is public transportation easy to use here? Helps you understand local mobility. What is the best way to get around the city? Could be by bus, metro, or taxi. Building friendly connection. 12. How long have you been driving with Uber? Simple question to connect with the driver. 13. Do you enjoy living in this city? Friendly, keeps the conversation natural. Closing the ride. 14. Thank you for the ride, I really appreciate your help. Always close with politeness. 15. Have a great day. Positive final impression.